Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop auto download of images and videos in WhatsApp messages. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe in order to see my future videos and help me grow. To my returning subscribers, I thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Shout out to my new subscribers. May you guys be blessed. I really appreciate. Without further delay, let's get started. Auto download of images and videos in WhatsApp messages not only consumes a lot of mobile data, but also occupies your phone storage space. And without doubt, some of these media files from our messages, especially in WhatsApp groups, are so irrelevant. In order to stop this, first go to WhatsApp. Click on the menu icon. Click on Settings. Click on Storage and Data. Under Media Auto Download, click on When using mobile data. Uncheck every box. Click on OK. Click on When connected to Wi-Fi. Uncheck all the boxes. Click on OK. That is all, friends. If you follow these steps meticulously, you will stop auto download of images and videos in WhatsApp messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching.